Long ago, in the rainforests of Madagascar, lived a lonely lemur named Lema. Lema was not like the other lemurs. He was small and weak, and his peers often made fun of him. One day, Lema saw a ripe fruit on a branch high above the ground. The fruit was his favorite, but it was too far for him to reach. Lema felt a pang of sadness, thinking he would never taste that delicious fruit. A wise old owl named Orion saw Lema's disappointment. Orion, who had been watching from his perch in a nearby tree, flew down and said, "Lema, you're letting your size hold you back. You have the spirit of a giant, but you're holding yourself back with your doubts." Lema looked at Orion, puzzled. "But how can I reach the fruit if I can't even jump that high?" he asked. Orion smiled and replied, "You can't reach it with your current leap, but if you leap with faith, you might just reach it." With Orion's words echoing in his mind, Lema closed his eyes and took a deep breath. He leapt, not with his doubts, but with faith. To everyone's surprise, Lema jumped high and managed to grab the ripe fruit. The other lemurs watched in awe as Lema returned with the fruit. They realized that Lema, who they thought was weak, had done what they couldn't. From that day forward, Lema taught them the importance of faith and the power it held. The moral of the story is: believe in yourself, for faith can take you further than your doubts ever could.